Hi guys, good morning. Ni ở thiệp ha. Vlog thấy chị tên nan. Wow, ai nghĩ được cũng này. Step. Ini आप से marketing manager. Nak kenapa lagi ni kita rekam? Kita Iwan kaya lang nakaju ka team jong Seoul Esports. Kita kenapa gini? Kita barang plus 6, arpos 6. Ni wei barid bahek du arpos 6. तो बोलिए क्या बोला
क्या कुछ नहीं bonjour क्या खांगला
मस्त लग रहा है आपका
हाय
क्रेजी लग रहा है कांगला क्या था वापस याद दिलाओ कुमलो जेम्स भाई ऑडियंस कुमलो शिलोंग
Pilong. How are you?
Fine.
This is Kumlo Pilong. How are you?
Kumlo Pilong yang subscribe bagaimana rin?
Asal ada macam nanti kantin ni Kumlo Pilong, Kumlo. Chor. So, Sunspaning ka. Pangsikan tu.
हम लोग ने
Away ka Coca-Cola berkati Sunspaning ka hajam sampai keren. Itu. Tu tidak kamtat di ni tes €100 Coca-Cola. Di ini kau bayar 80 ni.
भाई तो हम चेक कर रहे हैं कि क्या इसमें दारू है क्योंकि यहाँ कुछ फ्री में पड़ा है जेम्स भाई बताएंगे जेम्स भाई
Fresh.
फ्रेश
What fresh? Yeah.
परफेक्ट एल्कोहल नो
Alcohol नहीं है.
नो हिट ओके पीते एक ये ले रहे थे सोचा था ये कोक का एक कैन 300 ml का €4 मतलब ₹500 का कोक दे रहे हैं
Ya banti ini barang ni ada harus Sunspaning Victor te. Yo 80 ni dia bayar ngang. Yang lain mana jeng lek bas ni. Banti yang mending amat mending lain sepasan pun kasih Victor hang te po airport po Abu Dhabi. Hang ni Sunspaning ka nyo Sunspaning kasih Victor nang bahaba song lupa hidal de. For travelling ideas advice bas kumni parang kan tapi one Kita gini kerja botol ni, tak aktif. Yang mereka dapat sudah kiaru, namno. Tapi sudah botol kiaru kamu juga, tapi tenang baham tiada di jong-jong. Shillong dengan kamera, sedih ni hydration dah. Yang cakap bayar free, kamu free. Ni lawan, legacy. Say hi. Ang Kumlo Pilong. Hello means how are you? Ini lah apply ni card kan, bagi show metro ni, Shillong. Lah sudah charge pada kami event. Metro station ini lang tu. Sama metro ni ini. Baik. Ini sekian nampak metro.
Okay, Arena is in the left, EWC, oh yes.
EWC. Hey.
साइड में कुछ ये तो देखते हैं
क्या
Yes 2026 at last Woo Ini kan Ini tegak kan Ayo We are here adik Ngelapo yang ni Oh, hang ni kan kada terjaka. Abang ngawan si Paris. Don dah kawai long reda kan dia pada ngapoy. Hang ni kan. Tak aman sandur sang kawai mo. So kaya ni pamol. Kada gitu batam hang teh kada mo ka bahe ha. So it's nice.
इधर ये लेगेसी है लेगेसी
Iya katiket bandung sopo ting padyo yang kasih sabar wah ni laku arung po lele kai si game ka sul
मैं चांद आप
ini tampak di urung बात मिले
मैं कैमरा के पीछे
मैं चाहता हूँ आप कराची से जाने वाली पेरिस वाली ट्रेन अभी मिस हो चुके हैं
nga kada nang ni habar jong ni ka stadium kabar ni jong ka esports ang ni po Paris ngala po ni ka location terus kata ngala kami lagi bah hadian bagi select yang aban wan hang ni nakalian jong team Seoul dan pi kan ni hadian jong ka de ka stadium ka bagi kai ni ki players 8 kre apa sabar ada ni wan poi ha ba de berkenik esports sam ki kham chim kya ba bat na yaki khna yaki samla ki ai ji ki kai ba kuno berken practice kuno berken ayu ban kan jong men ru ki chim kya ba na ka ban ta ban bai tangka na ka players ki jong ki na laki ile kai na mata ri ka jong ki la ne la ki le kai na mata ki ada ki school ki college ki jong ki kumju ki government ki shime ki kya nam bing samla ni la poi hang ni for EWC ani hi ka ka bani nga wan hang ni ngayo ba ni ale nga wan hang ni ni ka ka sada ni la poi bi haju ada di kimi ji players ki dan hang ni ai Hi. It's already started, right? Okay. See this pet kan ni pen. Ngadung sa po, ispaniya iti po na mo. No. Mayroon nga po. Ito. Mayroon nga po manta. Mayroon nga po sa kani. Sa pet. Ni haba kani tiket hubungan sa po. District mahalan doon. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Setenat bah kia pediang mai ni kan. Salit tayo ngayon. Ano hindi ka arena? Stage. Kani di kai World Cup ni kani pen kre hadu ka tahap tang la pen kre bahasa sa pe jang ni pe ti players kai shong kai jong nga hang ni phong adan ti players ke la kai kai pe
So, of course, we are going to see no crypto this time, but I don't think it would have really.
pi players ke dan ni hajan ni mat por ke jela ka shit la chane tim ni zibangi ke game kan lo hajan hai players ni
The green light and the golden signal, so to speak, to try and push this fight once in the competition. It makes it slow.
Come on. Oh, nice.
Une carrière de chanteur. Attention, c'est vrai qu'on
Ici, à Paris.
Kalang sang balaran pek. Iwan ke players. Minum lah berbatai kat dia
And it is about to pop off in the STC Arena. My name's JDxJAMES, and we couldn't do it apart from our magnificent French host Luke. Are you ready for this?
I am more than ready, and I think that the JDxJAMES fans are ready as well. Les gars, est-ce que vous êtes prêts? Vous le savez, c'est JDxJAMES face à NF.
Forced away. They can deny them stepping towards this side of zone. And their focus can just be straight ahead to the north. They can go be careful here. Knuckle Cluster goes in, can't take it.
सही है ना हाँ
अरे वो भी आया था वो तीनों का ही था
Oui, bien énervé entre le caillou, la river, le harbor. Chaque fois qu'on suit la piste d'espace normalement. C'est deux positions qui peuvent très bien se trouver en l'une et l'autre. Ouais, mais c'est ça en fait. Ouais, c'est un peu ce truc-là. Après voilà, le problème c'est qu'il faut être très très fidèle sur les cailloux.
Ngayon pek kai ni ki ayu ki tiar kita orang ni. Oh kini ki cup. Di Esports World Cup tank. Memang. Pengam. Roket ni. Kami pengembang sana. Carmin game kibangi wadangi ru ni langdon hapeng kong ajing bom tip kiri ki game ayu gini nang don bon ni den ni wadangi ni pada sotu ha langdon hi persang pat ban lumlang ke ki game ki ba ki nila ban le lang hong tei de hang ni ru padan set up. Yes. Yes. No. English.
You want to participate?
Yeah. What is this?
It's a QR code to scan, full name, email, and you join the games.
Okay. What games do we have? What game do we have?
They will explain all to you.
It's free or we have?
It's free.
It's free. Okay, let's try one. You scan dulu. Yang ana ba kadang games ko bang shooter sang, ni shoot fly. Ni shoot persang kan jadi gedang bang fly kan jadi gini. All this thing. Kini Dragon Ball kita nak explore kan bang Iman. Ini company excuse me, can you explain this? What is this? No. What is this? Can you just explain with my viewers?
Yeah, so are you like in a live?
Vlogger. Not live. We'll take it. Editing level.
Yeah, alright. So we are here basically to explain about Qiddiya city. Have you heard about Qiddiya before?
Yeah. We have.
So basically it's a new city, big city, will be built in Saudi Arabia. Just 40 minutes driving by car from the capital, Riyadh city. So in Qiddiya city there will be a lot of assets, a lot of projects. One of them is Dragon Ball theme park. So basically you can take like a quick quiz. You know about Dragon Ball?
Yeah.
You can like answer these couple of questions. It's easy ones. You can also show your viewers. Yeah, so easy questions. For example, Dragon Ball theme park will be built where? Where? Can you
So the
answer?
Qiddiya city. This
Yeah,
is
that's nice.
Qiddiya city. Yes.
Okay. So this house, what does it called in the anime? There is some hints in the picture. You can use them.
Kame house.
That's
yes,
nice.
Okay. Seen the movie. I've seen the movie also. Before.
You have seen the movie.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So this question about this tower. What do you think? What does it call?
Let's say Karin Towers.
That's nice.
Okay. What company is associated with the anime?
That's nice.
Okay.
Did you register there?
No. I'm not.
So basically, it's like a quest. You can go through all of these, and finally you can receive a reward. But you can do it afterward. So after this, also we will be having Mohammed bin Salman Stadium.
Yeah.
Stadium.
Yeah.
It will be hosting FIFA World Cup 2034. And we have some VRs here. You can. It's difficult to show your viewers the VR.
Can you
simulate the stadium. Sorry.
Can you play in this something? You can.
You simulate. Oh, okay. Can I try?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. You take it.
चालू है नहीं?
Will it show inside the screen? You can. No, you can see it only. Okay, yeah.
Ini kita ke projek kebarang lain napo Qiddiya city balik dengan ke projek napo Saudi Arabia. Kehang ki plan dengan stadium tu betul sana dengan pada future plan kan jom ki. Ni tinggal nang jangan orang bakat taruh persang input. Oh. Kena yung iyang ni am, kita pun kalau kerja stadium ni lawan ini dengan VR mah.
So basically it will be built above the ground level by 200 meters. It will be built on the mountains, just near the edge, just away from the edge by 1 millimeter. So it will be built above the mountain and the edge. So its capacity is 60,000. So it will be approximately will be finished around 2029.
It's all VR project.
Sorry?
With this, that's the real project they are planning.
Yeah, it's simulating the real project will be there.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah. And here we have the AI booth. You can take a picture of yourself. And the background will be one of these 3 assets. By the way, 6 Flags, the theme park is already there. People now are already been there. Yes, we have already six Flags. It's already, and the water park called Aqua Arabia. It's already there. What do you prefer to choose one of these as a background?
Okay, let's try this.
That's nice. You can stand right here. Yeah. That's right here. Look at the camera.
AI booth. AI booth kami nakadur na lang background ang kita light ni background. Okay.
It's a good photo. Let's put for you. And by the way, part of the quiz, you can scan 4 QR codes based on the experience that you are seeing. And after that, there is some reward. But now, it will be great to take a couple of seconds. In the meantime, let's go to you. There will be also in Qiddiya City, a national tennis center, a national golf club. You can experience one of these. What do you prefer to play? Golf or tennis?
Let's play golf.
That's nice.
Okay, we have to play by that one.
Yeah, of course, you can stand right here.
Okay.
Try to aim at the ball.
This is the how will I do?
अरे आगे जाओ.
So get near to the ball. Focus on the ball's head. Yeah, try to hit it to the goal there.
It won't hit.
Like this.
Are yeah.
You are ready to this. But you have to more force.
Okay. Can I try one more time?
Of course. Good accuracy, by the way, but not that good.
Yeah. Okay, can I try one more time?
I take mine.
Okay, can I try one more time?
Yeah, of course.
So by this one, detected by this one, right?
This is very even. and closer or what? Try to get closer to the ball and then hit it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you are moving by your body. But now better to move this thing. But it's a good shot.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go.
Ui, sही 2 3 4 सही है भाई, सही है।
बस इधर बैठने के लिए ही पहना है यार। बात हो रहा है।
Dagla job am kerja ya utai prize tu hang tei ban kena ya ke champion Jones na mazat pun Rio. Teka di hang tei nak teka bali ayang tei. Sa dia boleh lang tei na baru kita tim gila lam ni tim baru ayang. Ini semua. Nanti ke Apex Legend begini. Dia di tegi ayu ke berada tempat mensuara macam senam tengok tak kini kerjakan untuk tidak dapat main. Tim Sol apa India jadi apa bukan kumpul sekatong. Ini lagi fighting, ni Trishtam, mana senang. Ni mentang senang ajak kita kemudian jadi pada event. Ada kemudian jadi event. Kena persang, kena Trishtam mana senang. Mah. Ani. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay. Kamu ngalah macam turun ni kau boleh. Okay. Wait.
You choose the background and then you print it.
Mine is Titan Swan. Kaya action ang turun. 3, 2, 1. Hah? Tanggup tu ini. Baik. Ami katur. Nang ni. Bakit ha? It's a good experience. Ini kan doon ka tayo mag-green pa rin natin. Nakadaw. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay.
Okay.
English?
Yes. You have the time, just 2 minutes. Just click.
How do you rate the overall festival and experience?
Be honest, don't
Fine.
be-
Yes. Attack on Titan, I have a character in my BGMI account. The activity were fun and engaging. I'm good with this. All this. Okay. The waiting time for the activation was acceptable. 5-on-5. This one also. Area was easy to find. Yes, 5-on-5. The staff explained activities. Yes, 5-on-5. You guys are very nice. Which exhibition did you enjoy the most? What would I say?
I don't know.
For League of Legends activation that codes, no? Okay. LOL. Like LOL. Okay.
What should we improve in the festival activation?
Venue of opening ceremony. I missed the opening ceremony. I missed the opening ceremony because of the venue. It's changed, no? Not here. It's a different venue.
The communication was.
No, it's good. It's good. But it's me who I don't understand in France. Maybe some of my friends, they are not explaining me really well. That's all. But it's good. Everything is good. Okay, thank you.
Can you? It's optional.
Oh, okay. JAME.
JAME.
EEE.
Sorry.
SYIEM. IEM. LIEH. SYIEM. LIEH. E for elephant. H. Yeah. @94. Asyai ke sini lah lek pai tinggi sang pangat dia sana pak saya sin lah ja sin tu.
Hello brother, excuse me.
Yang ini dari kapak kata bagi sak mangi. Saya dari sak mangi hotel kani sak yang tepo. Kani jaka ba kewan kai bro di kapak. Kani ngasai men brosh teo. Benda thi balik pai nak tambah lem no. Di kapur balik pai tu mah sang bro. Mana tu hak bayam? Ande bangat hak. God swear bay. Ande bangat hak. Biang pi Samsung enough. Part kata so maklek di. Ani kam di jam lah syu sakut. Sanya kiwai kam di jam so mak stress kelaban mak ni tapi dang haban rom pi di kam jam. Setelah wancang tentang dari kampat dari kerdan man syang tan. Nang dari kerdan man hanam tristom dia. Nang dari tristom. Teta dia Indo Asia flight no. Yang mata kami dengan Sarai yang perkut utakan ni ke video. Macam भाई आज तो लास्ट डे है हम लोग का इधर में
Yes.
तो कुछ बोली the viewers
क्या बोलूं, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. मतलब पता ही नहीं चला 6 दिन कैसे चले गए थे. बहुत सारा शॉपिंग किया हम लोग ने.
और bye bye, please share, like, subscribe and advice, not comment. That's all. Love you all. Good night. Bye. Enjoy Saturday.